A mile for Caitlin on the road to the sea. Stands a yew tree 1,000 years old, and the old women swear by the grey o' their hair that it knows what the future will hold. For the shadows of Scotland stand round it, mid the care and the car and the cry, all the hopes and the fears of 1,000 long years under the Lothian sky. My bonny yew tree, tell me, what did you see?
Did you look through the haze of the lang summer days to the south and the far English border?